everyone. In this video, let's learn how to solve this 2025 MIT Integration Bee. Alright, the integral form negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 of cosine of 20s times sine of 25s ds. Alright, so in order to solve this problem, look at these limits right here. Whenever you see the opposite limits, think about the even and odd function. So you have the formula, the integral form negative a to a of f of s ds equals 0 if f of s is odd, equal to 2 integral of 0 to a of f of s ds if f of s is even. Alright, so we look at this one right here, f of s right here. So we have f of s equals cosine of 20s times sine of 25s, right? Now we need to check f of negative s equals cosine of negative 20s times sine of negative 25s, right? Now cosine of s is even, right? Then cosine of negative s equals cosine of s. Sine of s is odd, right? So then sine of negative s equals negative sine of s, right? So this guy turns out to be cosine of 20s because the cosine function is even. This guy becomes negative sine of 25s, right? So I put negative sign in the front, right? Now this guy is the same thing as negative f of s, right? So since you have f of negative s equals negative f of s, the function f of s is odd, right? So if f of s is odd, we're gonna apply the formula right here. It's gonna be 0, right? So we say f of s right here is odd, right? So then this integral equals 0, right? If you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.